Hello explorers and welcome to this week's episode.
So on Instagram we saw a reel with a sunset cruise on a dhow and we immediately knew we had to try it in Barra.
Yeah, so the pickup point is close to white sands here on Barra Beach, so let's go on a cruise. Guys, if this looks amazing to you too, make sure you book this on your next trip to Tofo or Barra. Booking this is easy and it's not that expensive. Just make your way to Baia Sonambula Guesthouse in Tofo and ask for Francisco. You can either drive there or walk along the beach from the town centre. It is very close to Kasana Praia. The pickup point for this transfer is at Tofo town centre. You know the circle close to the beach by the market? The transfer takes you to Kite beach in Barra, where it is just a short beach walk to the Dhow. You can take your own cool box with your favorite drinks, but remember to take sunscreen, a hat, swimwear, snorkel gear and a camera as the views are pretty epic. I will leave Francisco's contact details in the description below, then you can send him a WhatsApp to get pricing and info on all the available trips. When you set off, it's just a quick sail to the snorkeling spot where you can swim and see some fishes. So the boat just stopped here close to Pansy Island, so we're just walking through the shallow water to the island. So let's hope there's some pansies to have a look at. But it's an absolute beautiful day out today. Skippy, so how's this boat trip for you so far?
It's phenomenal. We're on Pansy Island and there's literally pansy shells everywhere.
Now this is definitely such a cool experience. We are on our way back to the boat. If I'm not mistaken, I saw some coconuts lying around somewhere, so I think they're gonna give us some coconuts with the coconut water, and then usually they scrape out the insides for the people to eat. So let's go back to the boat.